Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Leche Flan using powdered milk. First, let's prepare the caramel. Gently melt 1/2 cup of granulated sugar directly in your anura or flan mold over low heat. Once it's a beautiful amber color, carefully swirl the anura to ensure the bottom is evenly coated. This creates that signature sweet topping for your flan. Set it aside to cool and harden while we prepare the custard. Now, let's create the creamy custard. In a bowl, gently whisk 10 egg yolks with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until they are just combined and slightly pale. In a separate container, dissolve 1 cup of powdered milk in 2 cups of hot water, ensuring there are no lumps. Gradually pour the warm milk mixture into the egg yolk mixture, stirring continuously but gently to avoid creating too many bubbles. This careful mixing ensures a smooth flan. It's time to prepare for steaming. Carefully strain your custard mixture directly into the caramel-lined anura. This step helps remove any air bubbles or undissolved bits, ensuring a silky smooth texture. Tightly cover the anura with aluminum foil to prevent any water from entering during the steaming process. Place it in a steamer over medium heat and steam for 30 to 45 minutes, or until the flan is set. Once steamed, remove the anura and let the Leche Flan cool completely at room temperature. This gradual cooling helps prevent cracking. For the best results, refrigerate your flan for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. Chilling allows it to firm up and enhances its flavor. When ready to serve, carefully run a thin knife around the edges, then invert it onto a serving plate. Enjoy your delicious homemade Leche Flan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.